Making balloon animals for 3 cool boys.
Hey guys, can I interest you in some balloon animals over here? Yes.
He would love it.
Oh, good.
I'll take one.
Oh, perfect. Amazing. Well, my friends, can I tell you some of our choices today? I love to make dogs, reindeer, bunnies, swords, giraffes, elephants, and dinosaurs. Does any of that sound good?
I want a dinosaur.
Awesome. Which color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Perfect.
A yellow dinosaur.
We got a brontosaurus coming out.
Oh my gosh, how cool. Wow.
Here you go.
I love it.
Yes. Who's next?
Please have a dog color brown.
Absolutely.
A dog, that's very on brand.
I was going to get a brown dog.
Brown dog.
Brown dog.
I love your dinosaur.
Mhm. Here you go, my friends.
I please have a dog too.
Sure, which color?
Blue, please.
Absolutely.
Blue.
Alrighty, there you go. You're welcome. Is that it for everyone? Alrighty. Oh, thank you. I appreciate it. You too.